Hello from He Said, She Said, Food for Thought. And today we are making tuna casserole.
How do you say tuna?
Tuna.
Tuna.
No, tuna. How do you say puma? Puma. No, it's puma.
It's puma.
How do you say Nike?
Nike.
It's not Nike. You wouldn't say pikey, would you? What are you, bleeding Americans? Now that we've understood that Americans can't talk the Queen's English.
We can cook.
Not really, you love burgers. Okay, so we're going to do tuna casserole, and we've got a cat that's eager to eat the tuna casserole. Come on, cat, you've got to go down. There. Okay, so we've got Mrs. Miller's old-fashioned egg noodles.
Those are Amish.
Now
I need to explain, you're not doing it appropriately.
I'm pretty sure Mrs. Miller does not look like that lady stuck on the front there. And we've also got some egg noodles that are Amish egg noodles.
These are Amish, and you need to explain. What is this?
That is a Swede. Or as Americans say, rutabaga. It's a Swede.
Wow, you're cool.
I know. So we've also got some Parmesan, onion, pepper.
Look,
we've got some
look at that.
Irish mustard, some horseradish, butter. We all know what that is. Some more cheese, some garlic, and some cream of mushroom soup. And obviously, one of the main ingredients, tuna. Or tuna.
Tuna.
It's tuna.
You say tuna.
Okay.
If you're in the States, then you gotta cooperate here.
No, I don't. I'm English. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a pan with onion, swede or rutabaga, pepper, and salt and pepper, obviously, for seasoning, on a high heat right now. And in this pan, we're going to bring up Mrs. Miller's egg noodles.
Which are Amish.
And we're going to bring them to the boil. Okay, so we're going to add some strong Irish mustard to the mix. And there's
About
also
2 tablespoons.
And there's also a little bit of garlic in there as well.
There you go.
Right, what we got going on, lady?
So what we have here, we have rutabaga. We have a half of a green onion chopped up. We have onion. I'm putting in a half of a cream cheese here, horseradish, and cream of mushroom.
And what you got in your hand there? Some basil.
I'm going to add some, I'm sorry, basil.
It's basil. We'll stick it in there.
How do you say that?
Basil.
It's basil.
It's basil.
How do you say oregano?
Oregano.
You're a liar. Just tell them oregano.
Well, that's what it is.
Right. How do you say aluminum foil?
Aluminium foil.
Right.
Look, just because I talk properly and you guys don't. Okay, we've got us noodles. We're going to leave in for about 8 minutes. And they've got a few more minutes left.
We're going to do them al dente, though.
Hello. I don't know anybody called al dente.
I think it's Italian. I don't know. French.
There's some crap in it. That just means they're not fully cooked. Why don't they just say it's not fully cooked instead of coming up with fancy words? I'm going to have it al dente.
We're preheating our oven here.
To what?
To, I think 375 is what we settled on.
Is that what we settled on?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, we were going to mix this up. Part cook this, or as the Americans say, al dente.
Oh my God! Can I kill them?
Sure can.
They have a grease pan.
Okay, so we've added approximately half a cup of half and half, and some Worcester sauce, maybe a tablespoon, and mix that up with the rest of the stuff that was already in there. We've drained the al dente noodles, part cooked noodles, and added 3 small tins of tuna. So we're going to add this now all together, mix it up. Okay, so we mixed everything up and now we've put it in the old glass Pyrex dish, ready to be baked. Are you putting some cheese on the top? What are we doing? What are we doing, lady?
Record.
Okay, so we're gonna add some of these to this, and then there she goes, breaking them down. We're gonna make them a bit small. We've added some cheese on top of the old stuff that's in there, and we're gonna stick some parmesan on there too, and then we're gonna bake it. There we go.
Are you gonna eat it?
Well, yeah, I'm starving. So I hope it doesn't
Poor
take
you.
long. How long does it
I'm
take?
so sorry.
How long?
About 30 minutes.
That long?
Yeah.
Oh.
375.
My stomach thinks my throat's been cut.
Right.
Okay.
Poor thing. He is.
Okay, we're fresh out the oven. Ready to eat this tuna casserole, or tuna casserole, however you want to pronounce it. So I hope you enjoyed watching, along with the banter. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to enjoy this.
She said, she said.
Food for thought.